Most car dome lights use these traditional filament bulbs. However, I found this LED bulb designed as a replacement. Before installing them, I conducted a few tests to determine the better option. If you stick with me, you'll discover the best choice. Stay with SetNFix. I am going to test the power consumption of both bulbs. To do this, you'll need a multimeter. First, switch your multimeter to ampere checking mode. For safety, I've set mine to the 10 ampere position to handle higher current securely. First, I will check the power consumption of the LED bulb. Remember, LEDs are polarity sensitive, so it's important to identify the correct side. Once you've found it, connect the bulb to a 12-volt power supply through the multimeter. As you can see, the power consumption is approximately 131 milliamperes. Now, let's check the filament bulb. Unlike LEDs, polarity isn't an issue here, so you can connect the bulb directly. The power consumption of the filament bulb is shown as 366 milliamperes. That's approximately 280% more power consumption than the LED bulb. So, after this test, the clear winner is the LED bulb. Traditional bulbs are made with a filament coil, typically crafted from tungsten, a metal known for its high melting point, low vapor pressure, and high tensile strength. For the second test, we're focusing on heat generation. Excessive heat is a disqualifier. To check this, I'm using a thin piece of polythene. First, I powered the filament bulb to assess the heat. I could feel the intense heat on my hand, and after just a few seconds, the polythene melted. Next, I ran the same test with the LED bulb. This time, there were no signs of heat, and the polythene remained intact. So, in this test as well, the LED bulb emerges as the winner. Finally, I decided to test the brightness. This LED bulb emits a bright white light, providing a clear and crisp view. On the other hand, when the filament bulb is powered, it gives off a warm yellow light. However, under this yellow light, the colors of some items appear altered. In this test, it's hard to declare a clear winner. The choice might depend on personal preference or specific needs. So, what do you think? While you're deciding, I'm going ahead and installing the LED bulb in my car. Just a quick tip, make sure the filament bulb wasn't left on before removing it, as it could be extremely hot and might burn your fingers. Carefully remove the bulb, and then install the LED bulb. Remember, with LED bulbs, polarity matters. Ensure you align it correctly, and rotate the LED to face the right direction. Once installed, you'll notice the dramatic change in your car's interior lighting in the dark. What do you think? Was this a good decision to switch from a filament bulb to an LED bulb? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay with SetNFix for more videos.